Alright, so this one requires me to show a video. I know the video ain't gonna play properly for you, but that's alright. I will.
Yeah, I'll use my imagination.
Yeah, just believe you know what you're seeing, right?
Yeah.
So, this is. I'm not gonna play the audio. Well, I'll try to play the audio, but it's just a man talking. Alright, so basically on the right hand side, they just have this kind of chat box thing, which is essentially ChatGPT. The only cool thing about it is that, well, it can open your settings and change things in your settings, but very, very basic things to say. But if you're browsing a particular page on Edge, of course, you have to be using Edge. You could type, summarize this page for me, or summarize this article for me, and it will summarize the article that you're currently on that page. And that's the only cool thing I saw in the video, other than basic ChatGPT, function.
It had an earlier video I saw, and it could actually. This is the Copilot that's going to be built in all the productivity tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint.
This is the one for Windows. This is the operating system one.
Oh, okay,
okay. If you want the Copilot for Office, you're gonna have to pay for Office 365.
But that's available right now. That one's on.
Yeah, they're available right now. Yeah, Copilot for Office available for a few months now. Yeah, probably earlier this year they had it, where you could take the Word document and tell them make a 5-slide PowerPoint from it.
Yeah. Like could read your email and do stuff and like create presentations out of stuff and
Right, yeah. So it can link with OneNote, it can link with this, it can link with that, whatnot. Yeah, but that's our Office 365 only thing. But this one for Windows is gonna be free. It's gonna be built into Windows, and it'll be an update to Windows 11. Which I tell you, I installed Windows 11 when I had to get a new motherboard.
For real?
When I changed the new motherboard, it told me, hey, you could upgrade to Windows 11, because before the motherboard I had didn't have the TPM chip. This one apparently have it, so yeah.
Okay.
So on Windows 11 now.
You got accustomed to the Mac style centered icon.
You mad? I make this thing look exactly like Windows 10. I slide all the icons to the left, I take out the thing, I put it black every single thing. So I feeling like I using Windows 10.
Nice. You need to leave it center, man.
In the center? No.
That feel more natural to me.
Yeah, but no. I want my icons on the left-hand side. The start menu has to be on the bottom left-hand side. And when I press start, the thing will pop up.
Your sense of adventure, you're so...
Yeah. No. This PC is for work, not for experimentation. I want to get things done.
/game work too.
I wanted to be in the right place. The only thing I didn't have before that I really love is the tabs in File Explorer. I do have to open up 4 different windows to drag and drop things now. I could drag things onto a tab, and then that tab will activate and whatnot, right?
That was then Windows 10?
Windows 10 didn't have tabs on the File Explorer. No, you had to open up multiple windows. Right now, yeah. And the Notepad have tabs too. But
we start using Windows again last year.
Yeah,
like a few years. Yeah. I accustomed on Mac having it.
Yeah, Mac had tabs on all the on the Explorer from ever since.
Yeah, I have it now. Yeah, as far as I can remember, a few years now. Yeah.
A few years, okay. I can't remember like noticing it when I was had to work on a Mac.
Yeah, you had to press Command T to get it. You don't have the plus sign.
Okay. I'll try it when I go back to that Mac that I have to work on fairly regularly. Right. So if they put the Copilot in Windows, the big question now we had to ask is, will people care? Like, will the average Joe who using Windows be happy that they could go and ask questions on the right-hand side and get answers?
I mean, I have Siri on my Mac years now, and I never use it. Like, never use Siri. I forget Siri even there. But I mean, Siri compared to ChatGPT is like, chalk and cheese. Siri,
I don't know if the ChatGPT hype train starting to boil down a little bit.
I feel I kind of get in a sense, I get in a sense that it kind of, people get accustomed to it. Like it's not the fresh new thing on the block that, blowing your mind.
Yeah.
And,
It's the
people,
hype train
I mean,
guy,
it's
right?
still very useful and heavily used, but it don't have the hype, most people, if you ask them about, like my aunt, who's like, and she's, oh gosh, I don't want to make man sound old. Well, aunt
Well,
in she's
don't.
60s,
Yeah.
does use ChatGPT almost every day, so I
Yeah.
mean,
Okay. I don't know how I feel, because I personally not going and be like, let me ask a question
yeah.
to Bing Chat right now
Yeah.
on the right hand side.
So I'll put it this way, you ever used to use, I mean, I'm not sure how long ago this was, but I remember Cortina or Cortona.
Cortana?
Cortana.
I used to shut off Cortana as soon as I install the Windows, like, yeah, let me mute it. Like, would you like to? I'm like, nope, shut up. I don't want to. Like, nope.
That's still it? That's not there anymore.
Now they removed Cortana about a year now. They stopped the Cortana thing. I think I would care if it could make changing certain settings very easy. So let's say like the problem that I have right now, stop my microphone from automatically reducing its volume when I use Audacity. If I could type that in and I could go in settings, find it and change that for me, then yes.
Like your own personal PC technician.
Yeah, you'll get me there. That's why I thought the AI was gonna be like something to change things for you or set my wallpaper to 5 different backgrounds of the beach.
The number one question people just ask you, computer moving slow, we can do to speed it up. That type of thing. Copilot, can you speed up my computer? Can you clean it up? Can you get rid of any unwanted files?
Exactly. Like, show me what are my largest files and show me my 10 largest files and so I can decide if to delete it. That kind of thing. It's supposed to get there. That's what they said. It's supposed to get there, but the thing, it's not there yet. Right now, it's just open up settings, open up this, open that. Very like primitive things. But the question asking thing about things that are currently happening in the world or the internet or whatnot or things, that is all right, but not very.
Right now you can ask ChatGPT to write a certain, like give it a problem or whatever and ask it whatever language and let it write the code for you,
Yeah.
But this now, how I envision it, it should be able to take it to a different step, a different level. You ask it whatever, but it will go and actually open the file, create the HTML or create the Java file, save it for you, and create the whole project folder and do all of that for you. Not just give it the text and you have to copy it, then put it in a file, put it in a different, should next thing that the next iteration where it could actually build out the actual app for you. You don't have to go and
probably
paste it. But
I would hope so. I would want it to get there. So
would you want it to get there? You're going to replace your developers?
Yeah, it'll be easier. It'll be easier to do stuff.